In this video I'm going to teach you how to take pictures of the beautiful Aurora Borealis. The first thing which is important is the location. I'm now in Tromsø, which is in Norway, and Tromsø is above the Arctic Circle, and over here you have the best chances to see the northern light. I'm standing on a balcony. We have a clear view to the north, and we can also view to the south, because sometimes when the Aurora Borealis is very strong, you can also see it in the south. So we have an ideal location for the northern lights. And of course you need camera gear. You need a tripod. I have a Manfrotto tripod. You need a camera which you can control manually, for example a DSLR like this, with a lens attached to it. Then I have my remote control to prevent camera shake, because when you're taking a picture you press your camera and your camera is shaking on your tripod. You don't want that, then you get blurry pictures. And optional is a lens warmer with a power bank. When it's very cold outside, your lens can get frozen and you have a haze over your front element, and then your pictures all get blurry. The settings of your camera depends on the brightness of the Aurora, of course. I have a basic setting. I use ISO 1250. The aperture is f4 and I use the shutter speed of 2.5 seconds. I've set the white balance to auto because I can always correct it afterwards in Lightroom, because I shoot everything in RAW. So just shoot with the basic settings, check, adjust and shoot again to expose the Aurora you see in front of you right. Some quick practical tips. Dress yourself warm, because it can get very cold outside. It's -15 right now. Also your batteries, they can have some problems with that because they drain much faster when they're cold. So bring enough batteries and keep them in the pockets of your pants, because then they stay warm through the heat of your body. And bring enough memory cards, because you don't want to stand in the field and your card is full and you can't make beautiful pictures of the Aurora you see in front of you. And now you're ready to take those beautiful pictures. So grab your tripod, grab your camera and put it on top of your tripod. So I'm going to connect my lens warmer to my power bank. I've attached it with some tape to my tripod. Grab your remote. Then look for a light source which is very far away from you to focus on. So put your camera on autofocus. Then focus on that point. Once it's in focus, switch to manual focus. And when you have stabilization in your lens, switch it off. Now quickly again the settings. ISO 1250, an aperture of f4, 2.5 seconds shutter speed. Choose your composition and make the picture. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.